Yeah, good morning. This is a day 3 and day 4 session of EC2. EC2 means nothing but say Elastic Compute Cloud Services. Elastic Compute Cloud. Elastic Compute Cloud, that is means it is a web service that provides a resizable compute capacity. That is that is virtual service, yeah, in the cloud. We can easily run the application. We can easily run the application in the EC2. Just we want on physical computer. That's enough for you. Next, what are all the what is this regions are there in the EC2 means whether all the regions are regions in the AWS means cloud that is in AWS means one is Mumbai and another one is Hyderabad. Example, we take the Mumbai region. In Mumbai region there is a virtual private cloud is there, and that in that virtual private cloud the data center is there in availability zone, like data center, like it is like availability zone is there. If we take it to 1B, 1A, 1B and 1C, that is a data center availability zone. Each availability zone has a distance between 10 kilometers distance is there. If we access 1A, that is we can access 1A means if I have a ABC company, yeah, I have a company, I create one VM, and I want to take a remote to the data center like availability zone in the to a VM, and I'll create on I want to create on EC2 instance, and we in this case the EC2 instance will take I want to take a remote means the packet will send to the ISP, that is Internet Service Provider, and the packet will serve the Internet Gateway. The Internet Gateway is also called as a router, and router will take to the security group. Security group is also called as a firewall, and the firewall analyze it and it's go to the VM. This is a process between the remote. This is a process between the remote taking to the server. This is called the EC2 instance. And next one is EC2 terminologies. EC2 terminologies is nothing but like it's like what is this like? It's like components like AMI means with Amazon machine images, instance type, keepers, and security groups. Step by step we can learn like that. Okay. First we go to the EC2 instance. We can click the EC2 instance. Yeah, EC2 instance, and we launch the EC2. We can select this kind of regions. Whatever we want, which we can select these kind of regions. I take it Ohio for US EC2, and we can launch the instance. For this we want to set a name for it. I set for software, and we want to, this is called as Amazon machine images. Amazon machine images is nothing but it is a OS or operating system. Like what is it like what I tell means Amazon means it's a pre-configured OS. Already the OS configured by the Amazon Web Service for Amazon Web Service pre-configured OS. Plus we can put our softwares, like example like OS like Windows or Ubuntu, etc. But we can choose this quick start. We can choose the Windows, and this is eligible for free tier also. And I want select this 2022 base. 2025 base is enough, but this is a new one, means we want to select this kind of Microsoft Windows Server 2022 base, and we can select this instance type. Instance type is nothing but that is a T2 micro, T2 nano. Nano is a completely it's a payable one, but T2 micro is enough for the beginners and enough for the free tier eligible platforms. Okay, we can select the keepers. So we can select the keepers. We can newly create the keeper. Like I take its name was a AWS class. AWS class day 4. Like that I create this. There is there are two types of keeper is there. One is for Linux is a SSH, and Windows is for RDP. Yeah. private key. There's two types of keys are there in a keeper. One is private key and is a public key. Private key means it's a privately added. How it will means, if example we want to access the Mumbai region, means we can create one EC2 instance, and we create one EC2 instance now, and the EC2 instance passes through the packet, and it will give a key for that, for like the private key, and we can decrypt it, and we can use that instant. We can create instant, use that instant, like we can use that instant in that region, like Mumbai region. Yeah, the private key format means .pem. Okay, we can create one key pair. We can create it, and the create pair will download it, and we can put a network setting. Network setting means edit. Network setting means the VPC is default, virtual private cloud is default, and availability zone is preference 2A. We have a 2A na. 2 is no here for us, here was US is 2, and we can put a 2A, and in this we can group say, we can edit the group name, security name, like I take it as a day 4, like that. I put it like this. Okay, and other than till now, if we want to access by the Linux means that is a SSH, and we can access with the Windows operating system means we can put it like a RDP. We can save it like a RDP, and this kind of configure storage. In this configured storage, the EC2 instance means, in this configured storage instance only have 30 GB only. There is a free tier for beginners. After we use the extra 2 GB or 2 GB something means it is a cost. For 3 GB 30 GB is a free tier. 30 GB is a free tier for beginners peoples. Yeah, beginner peoples. And this is not, and we can launch the instance, and the number of instances one instance only we can process through that now. Then we can launch the instance. Means that is private bundle there, and retry the task. Edit the instance configure. We can choose it like hardware. Already I edit it like that. Okay, then we launch the instance. What is this? The failed task. Creating security group. Security group is creating security group. Security group is enabled for day 4. Okay. AWS day 4. Like that we can put it like this, and we can launch the instance. This is succeed. Yeah, it's succeed. Okay, it's success. Then we want to view all the instance. This is instance state is there. We can put we can create on hardware name as a hardware, instance name is a unique number, instance state this is not is pending only. Instance state will success means we can go with another steps. Okay, then this is pending only. Pending. Okay, we can. Okay, this is okay. We can pending only. The instance type is T2 micro, and the status check is the 2/2. The status will check, and that's and the instance type is running by that. Okay, we can availability zone means we can want alarm status is, we don't want that alarm status. And IPv4 DNS means it's a unique DNS for our EC2, and IP means that is also the unique. Like monitoring is nothing but we want to monitor the what kind of, if we didn't stop the EC2 instance, the monitor will we can disable the monitoring systems, monitoring instances, and this will indicate. Okay, security group is okay. The key name, launch time is okay, platform we choose the Windows platform. So what is kind of managed means it's if the managed means what title means mm, if created by ours means it's false. It's created by AWS means it's true. Okay, that is called as the um, it's called as the managed. Okay, this running status installation. Okay, we can refresh it. The running state will there is a instant state is there is a start and reboot is there. Okay, hibernate, terminate is there. Okay, installation is it's pending now. Status successful. Yeah, there's tool by two, the check is paused now. We can create, we can connect it. Yeah, we can connect it through that. And enough, if RDP means RDP client is there, the Windows client. If RDP means we can open the remote software. Okay, we can open the remote desktop, and we can choose this, copy the public DNS, and we can put it in the and username is nothing but this is called as the username, the administrator. We can put the administrator here. Yeah, and we can connect it through that. Okay, on password is have na, we can already we has a password, get password, and we already have a password. Why means this kind of this na, we can .pem is there. We can open this. Okay, we can open this. It's called as a private key. We have to paste it in the key and decrypt it. Decrypt is successful. Then we want to copy this and paste it in the remote software. Yeah, and we click OK. The remote desktop will display in the desktop. Yeah, it's successful. The remote desktop will open. This is also called as the EC2 instance. How to create the EC2 instance? Now we can what are all the steps we do means how to create the EC2 instance and EC2 instance terminologies, and what is mean by my key instance, key pass. But that is two types of keys are public and private keys is there. Security group, there's a inbound and outbound is there. These are all the stuffs we analyze in this class. Okay, yeah, this is a page for a new EC2 instance created by Prasad. Yeah, thank you. We wind up the session. Thank you.